Let us see an example sum on area of trapezium. Question. Raman wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. If the area of the field is given 10,500 meters square and perpendicular distance between two parallel sides is 100 meters, find the length of the side along the river. Okay? This is the question just now I read. And now let us find the solution for this question. Let the side along the road be A meters. And then the side along the river would be 2A meters. Given the distance between the parallel sides is 100 meters. Also given the area of trapezium is 10,500 meters square. As we know, the area of trapezium is half into h into a plus b. By substituting all the above values, we get 10,500 meters square is equal to half into, here height is 100 meters and A and B are parallel sides which are A and 2A. So further we can write it as 10,500 is equal to 50 into A plus 2A, which is 10,500 by 50 is equal to A plus 2A. Then 3A is equal to 210, that is A is equal to 210 by 3, which is 70. Therefore, side along the road is 70 meters and side along the river is 2A, which is 2 into 70, that is 140 meters. Now, let us see another example sum on the area of trapezium. A cow is placed for grazing inside a trapezoidal field ABCD, in which AB is parallel to CD, AB is equal to 20 meters, CD is 30 meters, AD is 14 meters and angle BAD would be 90 degrees. And is tethered to one corner of the field by the rope of length 14 meters. Now find the area it cannot graze. This is the area it cannot graze. Okay, now let us find the solution for this sum. As we know, the area of trapezium is half into h into a plus b, that is half into h is AD and into parallel sides are AB plus CD. By substituting these values, we get half into 14 into 20 plus 30, which is 7 into 50, that is 350 meters square. Now finding the area that cow can graze, that is nothing but 1/4 of pi r square, which is 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. That is by cancellation 11 into 14, which is 154 meters square. Now we can get the area that cow cannot graze by subtracting these two areas. So the area that cow cannot graze is equal to area of trapezoidal field minus area of cow that can graze, which is 350 minus 154, that is equal to 196 meters square. So this is the area which the cow cannot graze. So thank you children.